lovely people. How are you all? I'm doing great. Today we are going to talk about something that rocked the internet a couple of years back, and I think the wave is still on. I'm talking about avocado on toast or avocado sandwich. Ever since somebody discovered that eating avocado on toast, sprinkled with pepper, a wedge of lemon, and seasonings of choice is a fantastic breakfast idea, there has been no looking back when it comes to eating a healthy breakfast. So today we are going to see how to make avocado cucumber sandwiches. The first step in making these gorgeous summer friendly sandwiches is making the avocado spread. You can also call this guacamole. I still do not know how to pronounce guacamole correct, so somebody correct me if I am wrong. What I'm doing here is I've taken 2 ripe avocados. So how do you know if your avocado is ripe? When you squish them with your palm, you should be able to squish them. They shouldn't be hard like a stone or unripe fruit, and the stalk must not be too brown or too green. Okay, now you can see that my avocados are perfectly ripe. I'm going to scoop out the flesh using a spoon today. So let's get started. Coming back to how to choose your avocados, make sure that the skin is greenish black or even purplish green. It shouldn't be too green, and neither should it be too black or too brown. Too black or too brown definitely means your avocado is not good. So this is how you scoop out the flesh from an avocado. A fork should also do the job, a spoon will also do the job, so it really doesn't matter as long as you're able to scoop out the flesh. Now I'm going to scoop out the flesh along with the pit of the avocado, and then I'm going to show you all how to get all the flesh off the pit. I will be using a serrated knife to do this today. If you do have any other technique for doing this, please mention it in the comments. I would be more than happy to learn new ways of taking out the flesh from the pit. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to ensure that the avocado does not turn color or does not become brown. So to this I am adding 1.5 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. This lemon juice is what prevents your avocado from becoming brown or oxidizing, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go in with a fork and I'm going to mash the avocados along with the lemon juice in such a way that the lemon juice coats the avocados very well. Okay, I'll give you a quick beauty tip here. If you have dry hands, then do the mashing with your hands, because avocado is a fantastic natural hand butter. Now that I have mashed the avocado to something that almost resembles butter, let me add the remaining ingredients. I'm going to be adding salt to taste. I'm adding Himalayan pink salt today. Feel free to use just about any table salt. And then we're going to be adding 1 clove of garlic which has been grated and 1 green chili whose seeds that I have removed. This is very important because if you add the seeds along with the chili, then it becomes too spicy. Now let us add 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomato and 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion. I'm just using basic purple onions. Use white, yellow, purple, red, whichever floats your boat. And then 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now, for those of you who did not know, coriander leaves is also called as cilantro and Chinese parsley. In case you're watching the video and if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel, and also press bell button while I'm mixing all these up together. And this is what is our avocado spread or the guacamole. Now you can use this spread to serve it up with chips as a dip. You can use it on sandwiches like we are going to do it today, or you can just enjoy it as it is like a salad. And see how gorgeously green and beautiful our guacamole is. Now let's get on to making our sandwiches. Today I have sliced my cucumber lengthwise into very thin slices. I'm taking 2 slices of bread. I'm applying about 1.5 tablespoons of guacamole on each slice. Do not be tempted to add more guacamole than mentioned here, because then the sandwiches begin to open up and they do not look really nice and appetizing. So stick to 1.5 tablespoons for each slice of bread. Now once we have done smearing our bread slices with guacamole, we will be going on with our next step, which is essentially adding our slices of cucumber. You can improvise the sandwiches in a million ways. You can add a slice of cheese and you can make this an avocado cheese cucumber sandwich. You can add grated beetroot. for more color and for more nutrition, of course. You can add alfalfa sprouts, you can add moong sprouts, or you can even add any microgreens of your choice to amp up the nutrition value in this avocado sandwich. So now that we have assembled our sandwich, I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to just cover and press it lightly. Now there's one more thing that I would like to mention over here. I chose white bread here. This is not even white bread, this is whole grain bread that we get here very commonly in Singapore. If I've used this, but you can always use a panini bread, or whole meal, whole grain, a Subway style bread to make these avocado cucumber sandwiches. I have tried many types of bread for this particular sandwich, and I'm simply amazed at how the flavors transform every time I change the bread. So please feel free to experiment with the kind of bread that you're using for this particular sandwich. Now that we have packed our sandwiches, let us apply half a teaspoon butter on each side. Another lovely thing about these avocado cucumber sandwiches is it tastes good both hot and cold. So you can completely skip the toasting or the grilling part, and you can just stop right here without the butter, slice them up and serve them as finger foods in a party. But today I'm going to be toasting up these beautiful, gorgeous, fresh avocado cucumber sandwiches on an iron tawa. I'm going to be toasting them till they are beautifully golden and they have this crisp crust. And believe me, my friends, this is my idea of a perfect breakfast. Now, if you're not comfortable making your sandwiches on a tawa, feel free to use a sandwich maker. If you're using a sandwich maker, make sure that you cut out the crusts for a better finishing. Now, I'm going to be doing the toasting part on low flame. I'm toasting each side for about 1 minute today on very low flame. Patience is the key, my friends, for getting those perfectly golden, crispy, crusty sandwiches. Now look how gorgeous my sandwiches are. Let's flip over and repeat the same toasting process for about a minute on low flame. There's one thing that I would like to indicate. Do not add more lemon juice than mentioned here in this recipe, because if you add more lemon juice, then there's a good chance that your sandwiches become bitter when you heat them up. So stick to the 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice mentioned in the recipe for the guacamole or the avocado spread. And that's it, my friends. Our gorgeous avocado cucumber sandwiches are ready. I have sliced them into half. And today I'm going to be serving it up with some chilled carrot milk. The carrot milk video is already on our channel. For more recipes, do visit tomatoglues.com. Thank you for watching the video, friends. Take care, bye-bye, stay home and stay safe. We'll meet you all soon with another video.